Hey guys, I'm Bowden from Printed Threads in Fort Worth, Texas. I started a print shop about 6 years ago. We've got 4 rock screen printing presses, and so we print a lot of t-shirts. We also use a whole lot of screens. So that's why I'm here to talk to you guys about the solution called the Lotus Holland. As you can see with the Lotus, it's a very sleek design, very simple design. It's got a small footprint, which means it'll fit in your shop a lot easier. So inside the machine, there's not a whole lot of components. You know, you can see here on this side where there's a chain drive that has brushes on it, and then chemical goes up through a pump system and pumps onto your screens. It's really a very, very simple machine. So as your screens are going through and they're being cleaned by this, there's not a bunch of moving parts that could potentially break or cause a lot of problems for you. So really the only maintenance involved is just opening up the bay doors every once in a while and doing a little bit of cleaning. We check our chemicals daily. We make sure the pH balance of our stripper is right. We make sure that ink is coming off with our ink remover. We've had the Lotus Holland for a little bit over a year. It has really improved our workflow. We use about 100 screens a day, and so we have actually reclaimed all of our screens by 11 o'clock in the morning. That means our screen guy now can move on to a different project, help out with production or help out with imaging, and we've gotten a lot of ROI out of that just in our time savings. At some point we have to realize there's only so many screens that a human can clean manually. That might be 10 an hour. If you have a great reclaim person, it might be 20 an hour. But at 20 an hour, they're gonna get exhausted quickly and you're not gonna be able to maintain that. This machine is capable of cleaning over 30 screens an hour. Not only is it cleaning 30 screens an hour, but it's also taking the chemicals out of your employees' faces. So more than just an ROI of how many you can get through in a day, it's ethics. We're gonna provide our employees with a better life by giving them tools to do their job easier and more efficiently. If you have an opportunity to make it out to a trade show, stop by the Ryanette booth. See the Lotus Holland for yourself. Don't just take my word for it. I promise you'll love the machine.